This car looks terrible. Is this thing yours? What's up with that trim, dude?
Yeah, you know it's mine. It's just getting a little old and a little beat up, but I still love it just the same, and I'm never going to give up on it. It just needs a little detailing, especially some restoration work on the faded trim and plastics, and it'll be looking like new again.
I hear you, I hear you. Dull, dirty, or faded trim makes even the cleanest car look bad. It's definitely a thing.
It is, and a lot of people just give up or use a product not intended for real trim restoring, and then they're disappointed after a short time when it returns to the same old bad look.
I like where you're taking me on this, Chris, because I know you have something behind your back that's going to make all the trim and plastics look awesome again.
You got it! Black Magic Factory Black Trim and Plastic Restore. There's a chemistry and science behind it that really addresses that problem of short-lived restoration.
Well, that was a cool montage, Chris. We've done a lot of things, haven't we?
Oh yeah, we certainly have.
Let's talk about this factory black. I dig it, but you know more about why it's so good and why it works better than most other products out there on the shelf.
Yeah, so Black Magic has a proprietary reactive chemistry that actually bonds deep into the trim and plastic surfaces versus other products' simple coating mechanism. What does this mean? Well, in layman's terms, this means the Black Magic product penetrates the surfaces and stays bonded as opposed to just being a temporary layer on top, seen in most common products.
And a layer on top is easily removed and worn out by things like the sun and other weather elements, not to mention simply washing your vehicle.
Correct. Black Magic took the concept of trim restoration into the lab to find a better solution, and they did just that. This is a professional grade product designed for professionals that stake their reputation on how well their service stands up. And now it's made easy and accessible for every DIYer like you and me.
Yeah, and this is perfect for the new cars that come with the blackout trim packages. Nice, all right. I want to test this out. We have some faded trim here, so fire me up. Let's go, I'm ready.
It's very easy and straightforward to use. Just add a decent amount of the product to an applicator or microfiber towel and wipe down the surface. You'll be surprised how much you can cover with a small amount of the product.
Wow, that looks so good. You notice it right away. And after it cures, it doesn't leave a greasy finish. That's awesome, and I love that. Nothing worse than rubbing up against your car and having product get all over your clothes.
This lasts for months, and the InvaArmor technology helps protect your trim against fading and those elements we just mentioned, the sun, rain, etc.
It also smells nice too, unlike the harsh chemical smell in most of the competitor products that would make me feel like fainting.
Yeah, Black Magic's Factory Black Restoration provides a darker, richer shine than top-selling products out there on the market. And think about it, this did not take long to do, and it looks so much better.
Chris, it looks brand new.
That's right, and even better still, it protects after 200 car washes and comes with a 2-year satisfaction guarantee. You see, there's a lot of bad trim out there, and I feel like people just don't really know that there is a 100% way to turn the tables on it and get your car looking brand new again.
Nice work. Black Magic Factory Black, another one of those must-have products in the garage or shop. And as always, like and subscribe for more car detailing 101 tips.